Hello guys, my name is Rohit and you're watching me on EAT Prime. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reinstall Microsoft Store if you accidentally uninstalled it or it didn't come pre-installed. So this is freshly installed Windows 11 LTSC version. It doesn't comes with Microsoft Store as you can see in the start menu. So there is no Microsoft Store here. So what I will do, I have this command. We are going to run this command in PowerShell window. Right click on the start menu and run PowerShell as administrative privilege and run the following command. I have given this command in the description box. Just copy it and paste it here and press enter. And make sure to connect your PC with the internet because it is going to download the Microsoft Store packages and then this is going to install it. Initially you won't see any change here. Just wait for it. After few minutes you will see that Microsoft Store is installed. You can log in with the account and install whatever you want. First method is very straightforward. Just with the help of Windows PowerShell, by running this command you can reinstall Microsoft Store in any of the Windows version if it doesn't comes with Microsoft Store. Second method is also very simple. Just go to any browser and search for Xbox application download and head over to this website www.xbox.com. Open this website and you will see this app download link, Xbox app on Windows PC. Just click on download the app and this is going to download this app installer of Xbox and just open this app. Just give it the permission and install it. And now after the installation, click on Let's Go and then click on Browse the catalog. Here you can choose the options whatever you like. I'm just going with default. So when it opens, this will give you a pop-up missing components for the Xbox app. So what you need to do, so click on this and this is going to show you the dependencies which are not installed, which are missing. So you will find the Microsoft Store is not installed. The install button here like this you will see. Just click on install. This is going to install the Microsoft and whatever the app you want to install, like app installer is missing, you can install app installer as well. So this is the second easy method of installing Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like this video. Please consider subscribing to my channel and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, Jai Hind.